All right, guys. We are going to show you in this video how to find Creative Commons videos on YouTube. Now, first, what is Creative Commons? Creative Commons lets other creators use their video as long as you link to them back and give them attribution, give them credit for having done that. So, for example, if you're looking for videos to use, like maybe as B-roll or something, then you'll often want to look for Creative Commons videos. So let's say you want to find a picture of or some video of clouds, right? So you can search for clouds, and then what you can do is you want to filter, and you want to filter for Creative Commons. Okay. Now you can overlay these and have different filters. You can have long videos that have Creative Commons, or just short videos that have Creative Commons. But basically, once this is checked, this is only going to show you videos that have Creative Commons. And so a lot of them will have this CC logo, okay? So for example, right here, it says license Creative Commons attribution reuse allowed, okay? So, and it says note the video track, the music track does not fall under Creative Commons, okay? So you're basically looking for something like this, and then you can reuse that video and put your own or any clips of this video, and let's, for example, and then use your own attribution. Okay. Typically, you want to find something probably that will be more just one solid, take like this. That's Creative Commons. You can see where it has this license Creative Commons attribution reuse allowed. Okay, so this some of them will even give a direct download to it, so you can actually download the video file and just download it anyhow. But that's basically what you're looking for, right? So you can scan these, and then you want to find ones that are solid, that have a solid continuity to them that you can use. So this one, and typically these are people that would do some time-lapse videos that they put up. So this one, just from the description, looks promising, and you can see that there's just some different time-lapse things that you can do, and then you can slow this up, speed it up, whatever you want to do, and it will have the Creative Commons attribution license allowed. So if there's not a direct download video, you can either edit this on the YouTube editor itself, or what you can do is you can actually download it. So you can go to YouTube video downloader, and you'll see a bunch of these different videos where you can plug in the title of it and paste it in here. All right, so the video, you can get it in 720p, and it's going to download. Okay. So the thing is, you want to attribute the channel name, and if you're using any kind of videos like this, what I would also suggest is you just start a spreadsheet where you have this information saved, right? So you'd kind of have this saved, and you can find the name of it, and you know who to attribute it to. So another way of doing that would be, let's show this in the Finder, and this is opening up in the play button. But when you download it, you want to make sure that you have that attribution, because you do have to have that attribution in order for it to be valid. Okay, right there, CC by 40. CC is Creative Commons, but when you download it, and I think, yeah, so we're just downloading this one here. So what you can do is you can go show in Finder, and then you can put dash Creative Commons and then the channel name. So you'll know no punctuation marks. That is odd that it's not letting me put that in. Oh, there must be an extra space there. Okay, so all right, perfect. So now you know who to attribute that to, and basically use that for your own video. So you can load that into your video editor now and change the audio track, remix it, put a filter on it, and then that becomes your content that you can actually create, put on YouTube, and monetize. So you can monetize those videos as long as you have that Creative Commons attribution and you're giving credit back to this channel. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. And if you have any questions, just hit me up and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks.